In this video, we will learn about the new LG Split AC basic remote features of 2026. Click the power button to turn the AC on or off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to enable Wi-Fi to connect AC with LG ThinQ app. Click the temperature up or down button to adjust the target room temperature from 16 to 30 degrees. Click the fan speed plus or minus button to adjust the fan speed. F1 is the slowest and F5 is the highest. Click the up-down swing button to adjust the airflow direction vertically. Click the left-right swing button to adjust the airflow direction horizontally. Press and hold the left-right swing button for 3 seconds to display the room temperature. Click the mode button to change the mode. Use cooling mode when the room is hot and you want cool air. Use dehumidification mode when the weather is humid and you want to remove stickiness from the air. Use fan mode when you just want air circulation without cooling. Press and hold the Virat button for 3 seconds to turn the indoor unit display on or off. Press and hold the diet button for 3 seconds to turn off the beep sound. Click on the comfort button to adjust the airflow and deflect wind. You can set this to top or bottom position. Now we have learned about the new LG Split AC basic remote features of 2026.